Hi and welcome. Are you wondering which service is the best in the best web hosting category? After reviewing a huge number of web hosting, I choose the most reliable one. It is the most popular among users and offers all the basic features that you need. I've been using this hosting for over 12 years and it has never let me down. In this short video, I'll show you 5 useful features that few people know about, but which make it really one of the best in this category. So let's not waste time and jump to business right away.
Hi everyone, I am here to tell you about a very good, highly demanding and reliable service. As a small business owner who is in the process of setting up an e-commerce store, you may have opted for a software platform that is not a hosting service, but you must provide your own web hosting for your store. In this case, you are probably looking for a suitable and affordable hosting. In this review, we'll talk about the pros and cons of one of the most popular hosts. This way, you will get an idea if the service is the right option for your online store or if you should consider something else. This service is one reputable and reliable company offering some pretty powerful yet inexpensive web hosting packages. Service offers website hosting plans in several categories such as shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, etc. However, for the purposes of this review, we are going to cover just a few of their plans that primarily relate to e-commerce store trying to grow. For example, we'll take a look at shared hosting for small stores, the WooCommerce plan for companies implementing the popular WordPress plugin, and the various WordPress hosting plans offered through Bluehost. Now that you have a basic understanding of what hosting is for your business, keep listening to learn more about how Bluehost can save you money and time when building an e-commerce site. The goal is to build a fast, reliable online store, and Bluehost has plans for all of the above. Pros and cons. Each hosting provider has its own pros and cons. In a world where countless companies are competing for your money, there are dozens of providers offering a range of additional bonuses to attract new customers, ranging from email accounts to guaranteed uptime or free domain name. Bluehost stands out as one of the best hosting companies on the market for a number of reasons. For a number of important reasons, the brand provides sensational hosting for businesses on a tight budget and excellent reliability. However, Bluehost has its drawbacks as well. Pros: excellent, inexpensive pricing, ideal for companies with limited money to spend on their website. Integration with WordPress means you can easily create a website with one of the world's most popular CMS solutions. Getting started with Bluehost is easy. You get a variety of resources dedicated to helping you get the most out of the service. Bluehost also provides excellent customer support. This means that if something does for some reason go wrong with your site, you have the necessary guidelines. Add-ons are everywhere with Bluehost. You can unlock a full suite of products including shared hosting, domain names, managed WordPress hosting, and more. Minuses. Some additional costs may arise when using Bluehost, such as the shopping cart add-on. Storage isn't great for Bluehost, especially on the basic plan, which gives you very little space for content. Let's take a closer look at what features you get from this web host depending on the price you choose. Shared hosting is usually available for $7.99 per month, but Bluehost often offers discounts, so you only pay around $2.95. If you're on a tight budget and need the basics for a small website, then shared hosting from Bluehost is extremely affordable. Keep in mind that shared hosting is for hobby sites more than professional e-commerce stores. Since Bluehost offers a wide range of offerings, they categorize themselves into specific groups of plans. The most common plans they sell are called shared hosting accounts, which means you will be sharing server space with other websites. This is a great starting point for companies just getting started and is by far the cheapest option. You can see the prices for shared hosting below. Basic: for $7.99 you get one website, 50 GB of space, one domain, 5 parked domains and 25 subdomains. You also get free SSL to protect transactional information on your online store. Extra, for $10.99, you get unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, free SSL certificate, unlimited domains, unlimited parked domains, unlimited subdomains, and spam prevention tools. Choice Plus, for $14.99, you get unlimited websites, unlimited space, unlimited domains, unlimited parked domains, unlimited subdomains, SSL certificate, anti-spam tools, domain privacy, and a site backup. Pro, for $23.99, you get unlimited websites, unlimited space, unlimited domains, unlimited parked domains, unlimited subdomains, SSL, spam tools, domain privacy, site backup, and a dedicated IP address. Bluehost VPS Hosting. VPS hosting is a popular alternative to shared hosting plans. Designed for a virtual private server, this kind of server gives you more disk space and ease of use for your backend. If you're looking for a Bluehost hosting package that goes beyond the basic tools bloggers need, this might be it. The cheapest hosting plan from Bluehost for VPS starts at $29.99 per month or $18.99 with one of the many discounts offered by Bluehost. This is a great price when compared to other companies and is great for integrating with various backends including Joomla and WordPress. As with many hosting packages, Bluehost offers a variety of VPS plans starting at $29.99 for the standard plan. Here's what you get from each plan available. Standard, $29.99 per month with 2 cores, 30GB SSD storage, 2GB RAM, 1TB bandwidth, and 1 IP address. Enhanced, $59.99 per month for everything you get from standard plus 60GB SSD storage, 4GB RAM, 2 IPs, and 2TB of bandwidth. Ultimate, $119.99 a month for everything you get from Enhanced, including 4 cores, 120GB SSD storage, 8GB RAM, 3TB bandwidth, and 2 IPs. If you're running on a relatively small site without a lot of MySQL requirements, but you need the reliability of a VPS hosting plan, the smaller standard plan is better. The advanced plan is probably the most popular as it allows the website to scale more aggressively and get more storage space. The features available on VPS hosting plan Bluehost.com offers are excellent. You get a lot of freedom compared to other hosting companies. One of the best things about Bluehost as a hosting provider is its flexibility. Whether you're exploring Provo web hosting, spam assassin widgets, or looking for a new type of cloud hosting, it's hard to beat Bluehost for its incredible versatility.